There's the bite. Just a little twist on a BLT. So we're going to use ciabatta bread. Got our bacon, going with some Gouda cheese, plum tomato, avocado, and instead of lettuce, we're going to go with spinach. I'm not a big fan of lettuce, so spinach is my go-to when I want some kind of greens, especially right now with everybody getting sick from lettuce. When I use spinach on anything other than a salad, I like to chop it up, just like you would lettuce. Take this spinach and roll it up, sort of like a chiffonade, a spinachinade. Okay, then I'm just going to roll through it here. Now this is what Publix needs to do when they put spinach on your subs instead of a bunch of leaves that fall off. You need to eat this within an hour. Get our avocado sliced. Alright. I'm going to just cut them into little slices. Piece of cake. This is a no-brainer, guys. I like to put my bacon in a cold pan. I want to position it just right. I don't want the heat curling it up or changing the way that it is shaped. I'll save that for tomorrow. Yeah, it's okay to eat bacon 2 days in a row. When your bacon starts shrinking, don't touch it. Leave it alone. Let it shrink. It's doing its thing. If you keep moving it around, you're going to mess up the shape of it. Flip it and cook that side the same way. Drained off our bacon grease for use tomorrow. Now I am going to fry my bread in the pan where I cook the bacon. Show you how to make this sandwich kicked up 2 or 3 notches. We're just going to heat our bread in the pan with just a little bit of pork fat left in there. Full fat rules. We toasted up our buns in that bacon fat. Look at that. Get us a little bit of that Dijon mayonnaise sandwich spread on there. Drop a piece of cheese on that bad boy. Perfectly cooked bacon. If you cook bacon with love, you can't go wrong. Well, you look at that. Go with a little bit of spinach here. Okay. It's okay if you get messy. No one's going to yell at you. Okay. Got our chopped avocado. Put that on there. And get us some sandwich sauce on the other half. Yep. Look at that. That is a beautiful thing, y'all. I'm not even going to cut this in half. I can handle that. There's the bite. The best things in life are simple, y'all. A couple little change-ups. Take your regular BLT right up into space. Make you some new friends. Make you some of that.